Oh, aren't you so cute? Cute little mouse. Oh, what a cute little mouse. Oh, hey there. Dr. Nardi here. And today we're going to be talking about variability. And I will talk about why variability is important and why you should care about it. Stay tuned. All right. So when we're talking about variability, we have to define it. So the way I define and the way researchers define variability is the amount of spread or dispersion in the set of scores. One thing I want you all to know is that the mean is only half the story. It doesn't tell you all about your data set, because remember, we're trying to describe our data set. That is the most important part as a researcher when we're doing descriptive data. So take a look at this chart right here and the set of numbers. We'll take a look at set 1. And if you notice, we're looking at 7, 6, 3, 3, and 1. And the mean, if you look right there, the mean is 4. And if we look at what's the difference between the mean and the rest of the scores? I would say that's probably about a moderate amount of variability in the data. Now, if we look at set 2, we see 3, 4, 4, 5, 4. And again, what's the difference from the mean? It's low variability. Then we can go down to set 3. We have 8, 8, 2, 1, 1. The mean of 4, I would say this is high variability, because if you look, it's very different from the mean. And then we have set number 4, which is 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. And guess what? There's really no variability in that data set. Now, if you look at this other graph right here, this other chart that just popped up, we could look at variability in another way. I kind of look to think of it and visualize it as images. So take a look right up there at the top. There are puppies. And yes, you can tell different puppies apart, but for the most part, puppies are very similar. So I would say that's moderate variability. If you go right down here, the Great Dane and the little Chihuahua, well, they're very different. So that's high variability. If you go right down here with the zebras, yeah, you can kind of tell zebras apart, but for the most part, they all look the same. That's low variability. And if you look all the way at the bottom, there is no variability amongst those green little items there. All right, with that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.